Namaste. Today I would like to chant the verses about Patanjali, the great yogi, and I go to all the masters, and here we have the meaning for this verse: Yogena Chittasya Padena Vacham. By doing yoga, it removes the impurities of the mind. Malam sharirasya cha vaidyakena. Whatever impurities we have in the body can be removed by the science of medicine. Yopakarotam pravaram muninam Patanjalim prajnilir anatosmi. To that ruin of sages I go with joint hands. So this is a prayer which can be sung before starting the yoga session. So it would be very nice for you to listen to this and try to chant these words or song. So we will just try to chant this. Yogena chittasya padena vacham malam sharirasya cha vaidyakena yopakarotam pravaram muninam patanjalim prajniliranatosmi. I'm going to repeat it 2 more times slowly so that you can also learn this. Om Yogena Chittasya Padena Vacham Malam Sharirasya cha Vaidyakena Yopakarotam Pravaram Muninam Patanjalim Prajniliranatosmi. Om Yogena Chittasya Padena Vacham Malam Sharirasya cha Vaidyakena Yopakarotam Pravaram Muninam Patanjalim Prajniliranatosmi. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Thank you very much.